Temple Balsall, a place steeped in history, a legacy of the legendary Knights Templar and their successors, the Knights Hospitaller. This sacred ground was gifted to the Knights Templar by Roger de Mowbray, a Norman knight before 1154. It was around this time that Temple Balsall became a preceptory, replacing the original site at Warwick Castle. Temple Balsall would have served as a hub for the Templars, warrior monks sworn to defend the faith and uphold justice. Their presence here was marked by grand structures, including the Grand Hall, which housed the parlour, chapel and chambers for the knights. Though much has changed over the centuries, remnants of their presence still whisper their story to those who walk these grounds. While the Templars left their mark, the Church of St. Mary the Virgin, as it stands today, was built in 1330, long after the Order's dissolution. The Knights Hospitaller, who took ownership after the fall of the Templars, likely constructed it over the original Templar building. A separate entrance was designed for the knights, preserving their distinct identity within the community. Today, stone-carved knights' heads still watch over the congregation, silent sentinels of a bygone era. Their presence serves as a reminder of the dedication, faith and service of the men who once called this place home. The stained glass window of the church reflects the Knights Hospitaller's history at Temple Balsall. One figure stands out, Sir Thomas Docwra, Grand Prior of the Hospitallers in 1501. His leadership saw significant changes, including reclaiming Temple Balsall from secular tenants. His successor, Sir William Weston, the last Grand Prior before the Hospitallers' dissolution, had deep ties to this very land. His uncle, John Weston, commanded Balsall and led the order in England from 1476 to 1489. Though modern structures conceal its medieval origins, the Grand Hall still stands. Inside, the wooden beams that once sheltered knights and noblemen remain intact, a hidden relic of the past. Beyond the hall, the former lodgings and great barns of the preceptory stand as echoes of history. Once home to full-time labourers serving the knights, these structures now lie in a state of ruin, their past glory still etched into their aging timbers. Temple Balsall stands today as a grand reminder of the legacy of the Knights Templar and the Knights Hospitaller. Their stories are carved into stone, hidden within the woodwork, and reflected in the glass of the church, a testament to faith, power, and perseverance through the centuries.